Is your 2010-2016 Chevy Camaro key fob range decreasing, or is it intermittently working? A dead or dying CR2032 battery is likely the culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective DIY fix, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the process. The 2010-2016 Chevy Camaro key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. This is a standard 3 volts lithium battery widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, or online retailers like Amazon and Walmart. Expect to pay around $2 to $5 for a pair. Make sure to purchase a fresh battery for optimal performance and longevity. For this simple battery replacement, you'll only need a couple of basic tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. The plastic pry tool is preferred to prevent scratching the key fob casing. When using these tools, avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the internal components. No soldering or advanced electronics experience is required for this straightforward task. Locate the small seam running along the edge of the key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this seam. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Be patient and work your way around the entire perimeter to avoid damaging the plastic clips holding the case together. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a metal clip. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use the screwdriver or pry tool to gently remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up. Improper polarity can damage the fob. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring all the clips are securely fastened. There should be no gaps or loose sections. Now test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons. Verify that the car responds as expected. Check the range of the fob from a distance to confirm proper functionality. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery's polarity and ensure it's properly seated in the clip. If issues persist, you may need to reprogram the fob. Insert the key into the driver's side door and turn it to the on position 5 times in quick succession. This process should resynchronize the fob with the vehicle's security system. This may not be required for all models. If this doesn't work, check your owner's manual for the correct reprogramming procedure. While DIY battery replacement remains the current standard, automotive trends are rapidly shifting toward digital key systems. Smartphone apps are replacing traditional physical key fobs, offering seamless access and enhanced security features. GM's My Chevrolet app enables owners to use their smartphones as digital keys, eliminating the need for physical fob batteries entirely. This technology provides convenience through connected car features. Aftermarket smart adapters are available that work with the My Chevrolet app, though retrofit kits for older Camaros like yours are unlikely to be officially supported by GM. As physical key fobs potentially become obsolete in the coming years, these digital alternatives offer a battery-free future. However, these solutions are not free and may require additional investment.